What's going on, everybody? This is 86 back with some more Megabonk. Just did a couple bush runs, so I think this one I'm going to try Amog. He's still one of the characters that I really want to get better as because I really like his starting weapon, a poison flask. It's just that it's kind of weak early on. But I want to see if maybe I can get like a tornado early on or something and scale projectiles quite heavy and see. I just kind of want to mess around with that, see how that goes. So that's the plan in this run. Look for tornado early on, and I'm not really sure what the third weapon is going to be. Figure something. We'll figure it out as we go. Let RNG decide, I guess, huh? The poison flask is definitely really weak early on, so it can be a bit of a struggle until you get some better weapons. I'm just gonna pop that just because I'm already here. Why not? We need to level up though. Get some levels would be really good. Oh, tornado early, nice. That's good. That's what I wanted. Okay, now we can just hopefully get projectile tombs, scale a lot of projectiles, and we'll see how it goes from there. We got what we wanted first, so that's good. I don't care about the knockback, so I'm gonna go with the damage tomb there. Start getting some early damage. Grab this chest. Okay, we got a rare upgrade here. That's not the greatest, but I should just grab the shield power up just for I'll go with the tornado upgrade. Gives it a little bit more size and some knockback. Attack speed's good. Grab this heart while I'm here. Since my health is low, I'm gonna grab the shield just because. Why not? I'll go with the damage there. The flask and the tornado upgrade was not the greatest. Grab this statue here. Some more shrines up over this way. We'll go with the crit chance. We have enough for this chest here. We do. Just go ahead and pop that. Pop another shrine. This one looks like a legendary one. Just go with the lifesteal. Okay, this run is not off to a terrible start, so let's just try to continue to get as many upgrades as we can, get as many levels as we can. We'll go with the poison flask upgrade. It's not really the greatest, but it'll do. It was better than the other options, so. We need projectiles badly. I'll go with the projectile speed because that benefits both the poison flask and the tornado, so that's good. Might as well pick up this shield since we're here. Go ahead and pop this shrine. Looks like a blue shrine. Pick up range. I think projectile speed tomb is good. Just really try to hold out for our third tomb to be the projectile tomb. Go with the XP gain. Oh, this boss isn't looking too good. Our damage is not great right now. So, lasers. Oh, crits have 50% chance to explode. That's nice. That's a good little upgrade. Now we just need to get our crit chance up. Let's take down this boss, hopefully without dying. Our damage is decent. It's not great, but it's not completely shit either. Try not to die here, though, in the process. Go with the tornado upgrade. Oh, come on, just kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Ah, lasers. Okay, we got him down. That was a little suspect, but we got it down. Okay, Clover. A little bit of luck is never bad. Just walked right into that guy. Excuse me. Got a swarm incoming, so we definitely need to be careful. Fuck. Ooh, these swarms can always be iffy. Okay, epic tornado upgrade's good. That helped out a lot. That helped out a lot. Holy shit. That epic tornado upgrade was clutch. Projectile speed. Grab this statue here. Just go with the wrench, I guess. The chest. Okay, crit chance is good. Shit. Not ideal. Damn it. I really want projectile tomb. I'm gonna hold out for it. Okay, we'll go with the poison flask upgrade there. Okay, we have the portal here, which is good. We'll just work our way over this way and see what upgrades we can find. Grab these chests. Moldy cheese, that's good. That is good. We're getting swarmed again. Shit. Shit. Took some damage there. We're okay. We're alright. Get these shrines over here. We have time. Our damage is starting to fall off for sure. Shit. We need some damage upgrades. Go ahead and grab that. Not enough for that chest there, dang it. Go ahead and work our way and grab this shrine over here. Getting swarmed. Go with the attack speed. Okay, we're good. Oh, good. We got a statue over here. We'll go grab that one. Hopefully it's a decent upgrade. Oh, we need levels badly. We need like a magnet. Oh, no. We're getting surrounded. Shit. I don't want to go over there if we're just going to get swamped. Okay, project tornado upgrade's good. Yeah, we need damage badly. Hopefully this isn't a bad idea. Oh, Thunder Mist is good. That's good. That was a solid little upgrade there. Let's go ahead and grab these shrines up over here. Damage tomb. Still holding out for projectile tomb, hopefully. We still can get a third weapon as well. I don't know what the hell I want to get for my third weapon though. Projectile count, yes. Shit, shit, shit. Not looking good, not looking good. Okay, let's go this way. We have like pretty good health leech or something, because it seems like I get my health back really fast. Like really fast. Okay, we got the poison flask upgrade there. Really need to get projectile count. Oh no, that was not a good spawn. We gotta run. We gotta run. Grab these pots over here. Poison is putting in a lot of work in this run, I feel like. Oh shit, we got a boss spawn. I just guess we'll go with the Precision Tomb. We weren't able to get the Projectile Tomb, and the other two options were not really that great, so crit it is. Oh, nice. We got a rare upgrade. Okay, beer. That's a little bit of damage. That's not bad. Take this golem down. Start making our way towards the portal. Okay, grab this chest. Not really great, but we'll work our way to the portal now. Let's grab this duplicate. What can we duplicate? Thunder gloves. That's a good duplication. Go ahead and do that real fast. Damage to him. Oh good, we got a magnet over here before we go hit the shrine. Let's grab that and these two shrines, and then we'll go get the portal. You know, banana ring, fine. Damage to him. Damage to him. Oh, I died? Oh man, I forgot those cactus shoot projectiles. Oh shit. That was a fail. Oh man, that wasn't really a great run. Oh no, that sucks. Well, I guess that's gonna end that one. Unfortunately, got sniped by the cactuses. Oh, that sucks. I might just run that back and do another Amog run, because that one did not turn out too great. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next Megabonk video. Have a good day. Peace.